Good evening. One more evening and one more show. And Saturday, obviously, you all must be having a relaxed time. And Leaders Avenue will take your time so that we can have a small chit chat, we can have a talk. Today, I was thinking that what topic shall we bring? Then I thought about my own life when I was a kid. I wanted something in my life, but I was not aware what is the path, whom to talk to, and who will be guiding me. Today, biologically, I'm 40. But if I recall my life, if I use the rewind button and go back to my childhood, I was in a dilemma. And not one day, every moment, I was in dilemma. And the dilemma was how to proceed. How to proceed for the things people they say have a career, have a great life, you should get success. Oh, hi, Vivek. Thank you for joining. Good evening. So I was a bit confused whom to talk to. And I was in search for someone who can give me or who can show me the path. Until the age of 28, I don't know whether I got someone or not, but yes, some people joined the journey of my life. Someone, they told me something, someone motivated me, some became my teacher, but still I was searching for the guide. But during this journey, all the experiences of my life, they were like a guide to me. But again, it was my own, so I cannot be so sure whether it was the right thing or not. But yes, later on, when I reached 28, I started meeting a lot of people. And then I got some people in my life whom I call as guide. Because they are the one who showed me the path. But they told me, we will just show you the path. We will not ask you or will not be walking with you on the path. The path is there, you have to walk alone. Good evening to everyone who have joined the show right now. And it's a pleasure. I could see all my audiences, my friends, my past students. They have joined. You all are one of the integral part of my life. And obviously, Leaders Avenue is very happy to be a part of this family. Ladies and gentlemen, today we came with a topic which is really required. Let's shift from motivation to guidance. Motivation, it's beautiful thing, but it is just like inflating a balloon. And nobody knows what is that moment when someone will prick the balloon and then the air is gone. But if there's a guidance, it is permanent and it will show you a strong path. आप सभी को नमस्कार जितने लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है गुड इवनिंग सो टुडे fortunately I have a guide with me who has enlightened my path, who has कहते हैं मार्गदर्शक. So he was a kind of margdarshak, but I must warn you, sometimes he was brutal to me as well, and that time I thought how rude he is. But today I could understand, अगर उस वक्त पे वो रूड नहीं होते तो शायद वो चीजें मैं सीख नहीं पाता. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor for me to welcome in front of you all a great mentor, a great guide, the legendary Sunil Keshwani sir. And many of my audience, you know him because he has been a guide to all of you. Today I request you all, दिल से सवालों के पिटारे बहने दीजिएगा. Let the questions flow in the chat box. And we will try not to answer it. We will try to find and search the answer to your questions. Sunil Keshwani sir, an amazing personality, amazing mentor, and a great guide. Having more than 31 years of experience in mentorship, coaching, and guidance. During his early journey of career, he joined prestigious organizations, Times of India Group, and a few more. And then he chose his dream. He heard, कहते हैं ना, दिल की आवाज, and then he joined this particular genre of guidance, and especially his voice, amazing, infectious, and mesmerizing. Sir is has done his MA in education from IGNO, and currently he is pursuing his research scholarship, or we call it PhD in education. And he's the right person today to show me and you the path of guidance. Before we proceed with the talk, गहमा गहमी वाले शब्द, सर मैं नमन करता हूं आपको. I always praise you and I salute you because you have been an integral part, an important part of my life. And now, sir, this stage, virtual stage, is yours, and please enlighten us with your wisdom. And that is why I'll ask you, sir, one thing: motivation or guidance? What shall I choose? Because I have asked the same question to you some years ago, and I just want to see whether the answer has changed or is it the same. Please.
Dear Govind, it's really a privilege to be on a talk show along with one of your best mentee or a best student. Our historical background says, our mythology says, and especially going back to the Gurukul times, it was actually the Guru who used to choose the students. But in today's educational setups, incidentally, the students are selecting or choosing the institutions or the gurus. Good or bad, I'm not commenting. It's a great art. You see, taking guidance or giving guidance is an art. It's not that somebody is elder to you or somebody is more experienced than you. Perhaps he or she is fit to be a guide to you. It's an art. It's an art. But definitely, the pride which I take in seeing C.S. Govind Mishra today rising towards the levels which are absolutely a very prideful level, we as seniors feel so completed. Here was a case of mission possible. Here was the case of mission possible.
Thank you.
And once you see such great students, you feel the time you invested on them was worth it. Was worth it. Today, when I see Govind rising towards national and God willing very soon international level, this is the highest kind of intellectual satisfaction which any senior or any guide or any mentor can achieve. This is absolutely amazing. And this is what I tell to Govind and to our great audience. We never at any stage try to compete with anyone. No, that's not the issue. I never try to compete with Govind. I always try to complete him. That is more important. That is more important. And once you can see a person worthy of the caliber in the field, in the ideology, to the path, to the destination where you are striving. Having a right kind of a guide is really worth it. Is really worth it. Absolutely worth it. Because many a times it so happens that in our journey called life, and this is what I had also experienced at some point of time, and I was also corrected, and so has been Govind also, that we have what is known as in management illusion of competence. Illusion of competence. We feel we are very wise, but factually we are otherwise. But factually we are otherwise. So the journey of from otherwise to wise is absolutely a journey to which we all need to strive.
Sir, I'm so sorry. I'm always eager. I'll be like interrupting. I'm so sorry because I can take that privilege of interruption because you are my guide. Like before we proceed further, may I ask you a question?
Mhm.
So, what do you mean by life? Because we're talking about wise and otherwise, but before that we have life. And life, someone says is comfortable, someone say it is easy, and most of the people they say it's very difficult, brutal. So, is it related with the wise, otherwise, life, and guidance?
Plays a very important role. Plays a very important role. In simplicity, what we have shared so many times with each other, and this question comes in the mind of many of the professional, what exactly is the purpose to which we are striving for? Have we really found the meaning to which we have been born? हिंदी में एक कहावत है, अगर हमें पता था कि एक दिन हमें जाना है तो हम क्यों इस दुनिया में आए? Why have we come in this world if we know that one day we have to leave this world very soon? There is a purpose. And one of the biggest rejoice of the moments is to be happy. To be happy. Whenever I see good, young, dynamic, vibrant souls. Now, young doesn't mean only by the number which you may be thinking कि young means teenagers, 20s or 30s or 40. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. Just now, a few minutes back, Govind said biologically he's touching that golden figure of 40. Mhm. I always tell to him and to you also, age is just a number. Age is just a number. You can be young at 80 plus, and someone can be old at even 20 plus. It all depends upon your propensity, intensity, and velocity of learning. Of learning. Don't you feel, Govindji,
Yes, sir.
in terms of the learning journey, it has been an very eye-opening journey for your good self?
Like each and every moment I remember, and because I belong to that genre of people who are the 80 model people. Like I don't remember the first 5 years of my life. Seriously, I don't remember because that time my parents told me you are a kid, so be a kid. So I enjoyed the 5 years of my life. I don't remember because I enjoyed it every moment. I enjoyed it. And then one day I was forced into school. I thought that my childhood has been murdered but and stolen, but I didn't allow anybody to steal my childhood. And then lot many moments, I started collecting. And when I today collate and collaborate these moments, I believe, sir, each and every moment was a learning. I was watching a movie a few days ago, All the Bright Places, and I recall a dialogue out of it. And it says, "We don't remember the days, we remember the moments." Because these moments are teachings. And thanks to the gurus, not as per age, even a small child can be a guru to you. And
Correct.
even an illiterate person can be a guru, because that is not education can give you guidance. Education gives us a degree, analytical mindset, but the experiences we gain, I believe, that is always a teaching. And sir, on a lighter note, in school I was an outstanding student. I was an outstanding student because I always used to stand outside the class. And today I feel amazed because when I was standing outside the class, I learned those skills which was not being taught inside the class. I learned about interpersonal skills. I learned about how to behave, how to interact with people. I learned about how to overcome dilemmas. So, sir, every moment has been a great teaching for me.
It
And
has been, to be precise. And that's what life is all about. I would say teaching or learning doesn't only come from the classrooms, but certainly it comes from the people whom you meet and the travel which you make. As it has been a case with Govind, he is a very wonderful or a great traveler. And I shared with him once a traveler never arrives.
exactly, because for us, there's no destination. We keep on moving.
वो क्या कहते हैं the show.
Must go on. And
Absolutely.
with your blessings, like me and my wife, we are known as Gochi Gumakkad. Govind, and she's China. So people, they call us Gochi Gumakkad. Gumakkad means the nomads. And it's really a beautiful experience. And again, I request my audience, whenever you get time, go travel, but not abhi, not in this challenging time. Abhi ghar mein rahiyega, say,
Correct.
take care of yourself, but do travel. Then you will gain a lot of experiences.
Because that's what Govind, as I have seen through, and this is what I share with the audience also. And in the classes which also I take, like recently I was taking this online class and I was meeting these students for the first time. So they had their own apprehensions. I don't know what type of a teacher this guy is, or whether he would be fitting in our mindset or frame, or whether he would be able to deliver. But that's what I told them, and I share with our dear audience as well. Whenever you are in a community of good people around, those positive people around, especially from where you can learn, treat them as your social parents. Jim, it's slightly a newer concept. That's what I treat Govind as, his social parent. And sometimes, and many a times, social parents are more concerned than even his own parents about him, about his
Exactly.
life, about his relationships, about his career. And that's, to my knowledge, absolutely wonderful. बट जैसे वो कहते हैं ना कि ताली हमेशा क्या कहते हैं
एक
दो
हाथ.
हाथ से हाँ मतलब बजती है नॉट कि यूं हम बात नहीं करते nothing happens in this life. It's not a get quick rich formula is what we are suggesting to anyone or everybody. It's a great innings and which requires perhaps a life effort. Perhaps a life effort. Now, as I shared the concept just few minutes back, the illusion of competence. Understand this one fact. A superior knowledge but inferior results can cause confusion and frustration.
Wonderfully, you have shared this line, and I need to have a deep thought on this particular thing. And कि बहुत उच्च कोटि का ज्ञान, लेकिन अगर उसका नतीजा बहुत थोड़ा-सा हो, जो मायने ना रखता हो, देन हमें थोड़ा-सा वेच ना करनी चाहिए. So wonderful, sir. So for this again, I have one more question. I'm always curious, uh, like you are a guide, and you must be having numerous, students or mentees. Is it possible that all these people have the same circumstances and will be giving the same suggestions or the guidance to each and every one, like one crocin for every disease, or does circumstances change?
I think it's a very personalized, I would say, relationship. It is something like, as you just now shared in my introduction, and as you are aware, that for the last 2 years, I'm also on the research innings, that is, being a research scholar at LPU. I understand in my pursuit of PhD what is the importance of a guide. Can you imagine pursuing the highest degree and the highest intent and the content without a guide? I'm not saying it is impossible. I will never use that word. Extremely challenging. Now, that's the beauty of a guide in a research innings and also in a life innings. It is just like a road, just like a road, and a guide always remain there, but they ensure that they make the people reach their
The top.
destination. And that, to my knowledge, is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sir, सोचिए तो सही. Just imagine, with all those talents, with all those potential, with all those things, combined together like an atomic energy, and you become what is known as pre-guided missile.
Wonderful.
नहीं,
Exactly.
pre-guided missile. Uh, Govind, could you just
Ji.
elaborate what is the
हाँ,
purpose of a pre-guided
like
missile?
today we all are using Google, so we are using the maps, like we are standing somewhere and that's just putting the destination, and the Google is helping us to reach there. Sometimes it is hit and trial out from Google, but if I talk about the pre-guided missiles, so they are the superior technologies where the GPS system, they just collect the longitude, latitude, and just feed it in, and it never misses the target. That is what it is made for.
Absolutely. Now, this is what I endorse what he just now said, because you and me need to appreciate, and all of our dear audience, that we may be having an infinite potential. But, ladies and gentlemen, we all have a very finite time. ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी
लेगी दोबारा.
दोबारा ये पल ना होंगे दोबारा if that is the outer limit and that too there's an asterisk belief that conditions apply that is all the more reason that guidance or mentorship or coaching becomes strategic. The other day we were sharing together that even best to best or even world class players, I'm sure Govind can give some examples in that which we had shared a few weeks back. Best to best players in the world also have coaches.
Exactly. And
Govind, would you
the
like to
recent,
share a few
yes,
good
sir, the
players?
recent one I remember, who got the Dronacharya Award, Gopichand. So he's a coach
Absolutely.
to the badminton players, the India's topmost badminton players, and he himself was no one of the superstars in the international arena. And how can I forget, sir, the farewell speech of the master, little master, and not the Gavaskar. I'm talking about Sachin Tendulkar, when he was delivering his last, playing his last match, and thereafter he delivered the speech, farewell speech. I remember it was approximately 45 minutes, in which he spoke for 10 minutes about his guru. I think he was Sir Achrekar ji, and he
Absolutely.
always says, "Whatever I'm today, it is just because of his guru." And I believe that we belong to the Indian culture where we don't think that guru is just a teacher. We uh, believe that the guru is more powerful than the god, and the guru should be prayed or worshipped before the god. एंड कहते हैं ना, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागे पांव. और तो इसीलिए गाइडेंस इज ऑलवेज रिक्वायर्ड, इधर इट इज स्पोर्ट्स और स्टडीज और लाइफ इज वेल. एंड
Yeah. And that too in the relationships also.
एग्जैक्टली
Don't
सर.
you? I mean, you have been quoting so many times those great shlokas of Mahabharat, and especially Lord
लाइक
Krishna.
लाइक आज मैं अवॉइड कर रहा था, मुझे लगा कि आपको ही सुन लेते हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज यू हैव ट्रिगर्ड दैट वीकनेस ऑफ माइंड, सो आई कैन स्टॉप माई सेल्फ. I remember I was reading a Gita, and when Arjuna told that I don't want to fight, I can't kill my own relatives, my known people, and he said, um, "Just kill me. I won't fight." And then Krishna says, "Name parthasti kartabhyo trishulokeshu kinchanam nanavaptam vaptabhyam vart evam cha karmani." हे अर्जुन, हे पार्थ, इस जगत में मुझे कर्म करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, और ना ही तीनों लोकों में कोई ऐसी वस्तु है जो मैं प्राप्त नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन मैं फिर भी कर्म करता रहता हूं. आई परफॉर्म माई ड्यूटीज बिकॉज द पीपल हु फॉलो मी, दे विल कॉपी मी. इफ आई डोंट परफॉर्म माई ड्यूटीज, दे विल ऑल्सो बिकम कर्महीन. एंड ही सेज, अर्जुन, टुडे आई विल जस्ट शो यू द पाथ. आज मैं तुम्हारा सारथी हूं. आई कैनॉट फाइट ऑन योर बिहाफ, but yes, I can guide you. I can take you to the proper place where you can win. And that is what I believe. The Sarthi is a guide in our life. And especially, I believe, as you spoke, relationships. So, आजकल का टैगलाइन चल रहा है, love at first sight and divorce at first fight. Love at first sight and divorce at first fight. And our millennials, they are having this chaos in life. रात के 11 बजे बैठ के छत को देखते हुए जगजीत साहब के गजल चलते हैं, and then the call starts, and sometimes that call becomes a disaster, because the next day they decide, I don't know how this process started. Let's decide, we don't want to take it further. I don't know how relationships can be decided like this. So, can you please guide us, sir, on this aspect as well?
देखिए गोविंद, आपकी बात से मुझे एक बात याद आई हिंदी में. आई एम कोटिंग दैट डायलॉग. आई हर्ड इट समवेयर. इट सेड कि आज रिश्तों में दरारें इसलिए नहीं हैं कि आज घर में दीवारें हैं. आज घर में दीवारें इसलिए हैं बिकॉज रिश्तों में दरारें हैं. So today, in a phase of life where we are living in a world of interdependence, that's what I would like to share, as had been originally shared by one great author, Stephen R. Covey, in his book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Especially this phase of life where we are moving from dependence to independence to interdependence. Govindji is showing you this book as well. Good one. So, at any and every stage, we have to maintain our cool, patience. Because what happens is if at any and every moment we become hyper, to what example what Govind was just now giving, can prove to be disastrous in the relationship. And that's where there is no harm to a person whom you can trust to seek counseling. It's not a bad idea. People feel that if I'm being counseled or if I'm being advised, probably I'm weak, probably I do not know. No, it's not that you do not know. Again, that feeling of competence, that illusion of competence is in all of us. That हमें सब पता है, हमें सब पता है. वो पता कुछ भी नहीं. वो
and
पता कुछ भी नहीं.
and on this, sir, the Kane Upanishad says, it is known to those who do not know. It is known to those who do not know, and unknown to those who know.
So that is again a big thing.
Hmm.
But then we all need to be careful about, and we all need to be also knowing the background about. There are different terms also used for guidance. And this is where you also need to understand to whom to seek guidance. There is a coach, there is a teacher, and of course, there is a mentor
Mentor.
or mentor. Many people say that, sir, I lack mentorship in my life. So I say to them, then what have you done to find a mentor? As if that you are sitting here and people will flock around you to guide you. Okay, sir, ये लीजिए, वो लीजिए. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. सर, कोच जो होते हैं, कोच, अभी जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया गया था, example was taken of Sachin Tendulkar or maybe even PV Sandhu, who has been coached by the great Gopi Chand. Now, these are coaches. Coaches mean skill development. So when it comes to specifics of those skills to which you are looking forward to, coach or coaches are the best type of people who are in that fray or that field or that vertical in which you are walking around.
Sir, I remember a movie on this, Coach Carter.
Oh, that's a beautiful movie.
Beautiful movie,
That's a
exactly.
beautiful movie.
And that was a movie. When I was watching, I learned that there's always a difference between motivation and guidance. Because the team who was coaching, they could not win the match, but they won the match of life.
They won the match. Because that's what I have also been sharing with the people of repute. And mind you, I've come across so many hundreds of people at young and even bigger ages. If you see their potential, if you see their talent, if you see their qualification, beautiful. Sometimes you feel you're not that qualified to be talking to that person. No. This is also a point. What if the student, what if the mentee himself or herself, in terms of metrics or in terms of measurability of results, he or she is bigger than even the mentor to whom he is looking forward to? Shall he still be guided? No. Even if you had taken this example of Sachin Tendulkar, now his number of centuries and his performance was absolutely unparalleled, and no wonder he was the top ranking player in the world. Now, suppose he asked his coach, okay, sir, tell me what has been your track record that you are eligible to to guide me.
And in Hindi, there's a phrase कि गुरु गुड़ ही रह गए और चेला चीनी हो गए.
क्या बात. So such are some delicate moments also come when you feel your say metric result. Mind you, underline the word measurable or just metric results. Just because somebody is a Lakpati Krodpati as on date doesn't mean as a person he's a Lakpati Krodpati. Now there's a huge difference between growth and development. What mentors or guides focus on is first development and then growth.
Sir, I remember one more movie, Hichki, Rani Mukherjee. So, if you remember that moment when she was teaching a child, um, एंड प्रिंसिपल ने आके उनको बोला कि आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो बच्चों को केमिस्ट्री की क्लास में, फिजिक्स की क्लास में। तो उन्होंने बोला था कि ज़िंदगी में याद रखिएगा कि एग्ज़ाम्स एक सब्जेक्ट के नहीं होते। ज़िंदगी में एग्ज़ाम्स एक सब्जेक्ट के नहीं होते जैसा स्कूल में होता है, बिकॉज़ ज़िंदगी इम्तिहान लेती है सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को मिला के, एंड देयर इज़ नो सेट पैटर्न कि आज मैथमेटिक्स का एग्ज़ाम होगा, आज केमिस्ट्री का एग्ज़ाम होगा, बिकॉज़ लाइफ इट्स लाइक it's a fusion process, it's a chain reaction, and when it is having a chain reaction, so it is connecting all the dots. So life always takes exams in a collaborated manner. And that is why Rani Mukherjee told that I want to teach her how to face the exam of life, not this stupid exam to just get some numbers on a sheet of paper.
I think what Govind you have said and shared just now is a very deep thought process that is, I would say, building a character or integrity or ethics. Is it more important than earning money in life? There's always a dilemma. Now, that's the word which we need to understand. That many a stage or many a or what he says crossroads we are standing. Yeah, I think Govind is
So
trying to show
I have
something.
like human
Yeah,
values, and that's what I was asking, sir, because you raised a very valid point and topic, values. Because I believe what I have experienced, that the main difference between the earlier words and guide, because guide adds values and more values to your life, and that is why I believe that guides sometimes they are brutal as well, because they want to teach
yeah,
us, you know.
yeah.
Like one particular question people are asking after watching Three Idiots and after watching Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, we don't understand that there are some more conditions applied to that particular points, like do what you love. Everybody is talking, then they are going gaga about this thing, do what you love. I know someone, sir. I usually share this example with my students. I know someone who loves to murder people. And he watched a video, do what you love, and started murdering people. The police caught him, and the police asked, why are you murdering people? He said, because a great speaker told, do what you love. So, is it what the guide teaches, or is it the most important thing, what the mentee or the student takes in? So, how to balance this thing, sir?
Okay. You see, what's the basic advantage or the biggest advantage which comes through being aligning with a person with whom you can have a wavelength of understanding is that you are in the company of a right minded person.
Hmm.
Now, underline this word right minded. It's quite different from like minded. Although both are appearing to be positive, but if you see for a moment, like minded people can also be negative people also.
जैसे हिंदी
With
में एक
negative
कहावत है,
wavelength or with negative objection or negative mission. Like there may be a group of terrorists who are planning to attack. Now you would say, yeah, they are like minded. All of them together are wanting that.
चोर चोर मौसेरे भाई.
No. I am not referring to that part. So the basic advantage which comes through being in company of so good, illuminated, and intellectual pursuit people is that at least one thing is assured in your life: you are in the hands of right-minded people. This is very much required because it
Without any.
acts you. It acts you as a like what we are referring to, Kova shield.
Hmm.
Like today also happens to be an auspicious day. That's from today onward one of the biggest mission which our great country India has undertaken on a vaccine drive, and God willing, this I would say challenge to which all of us have been facing also goes away from our country, and not only our country but the world. So understand this company of right-mindedness, this focus on development ensures that you are wearing a shield for yourself, which saves you from lot many negatives in life. Now, some people don't understand what's the difference between growth and development. Let me explain in one line. When we say in terms of growth, it is always in terms of measurability. Like I say, the GDP of the country has been growing, the company has been progressing at the rate of so and so percentage. Now, this is growth, profits, earning per share. Hmm? This is growth. But when we talk about development, we are talking about character. We are talking about values. We are talking about ethics. वो समाज भी कैसा, वो सोसाइटी भी कैसी जिसमें ethics ही ना हो, values ही ना हो. You and me need to understand that today values are more important than even valuables. Let us put it this way. But unfortunately, what we see in many of the cases that people tend to focus their attention on valuables more than values. That's where the guidance. So
And
I would say, coming back to the original question, what Govind had raised, that is motivation, I would say more significant or guidance. I'll always put it is guidance first. What is the use of that motivation if it cannot be channelized into a direction which is towards the right cause and towards the right minded people? That's where guidance to me is more important than even motivation. Because motivation can fluctuate on a daily basis like a Bombay Stock Exchange graph. कभी ऊपर तो कभी नीचे तो कभी ऊपर तो कभी नीचे. But sir, guidance and intensity sustains you for the life, or perhaps prepares you for the life. Nahin, Govind?
Yeah, yes, sir. Because to sum up the entire scenario we discussed, and now it's 40 minutes, so time jaldi bhag jata hai, pata hi nahi chalta hai. So, what I understood that most of us, we are standing on crossroads, choraha, thinking which path to choose, because all the four paths are alike. We are not aware what is no is, in this future. And then someone comes and says, "Oh, you can do it." And you say, "Man, I know I can do it." And then someone says, "Have faith." I have faith on me. And then someone says, "Be positive." I'm pretty positive. Yeah. Tell me which path to choose. And then people say, "Oh, that I don't know." And here I believe that the motivation ends. But yes, then someone comes and just pats on his shoulder and says, "That is the way." But I must warn you, that way has got a lot of turbulence. But yes, we have one more easy way also, in which you might reach, but there is huge traffic, huge competition, and there are chances of accidents as well. So the coach or the guide tells both the ways, the easy way, the hard way, and also tells the turbulences, the problems.
Correct.
But the guide never tells that I'm going to help you. The guide tells this is the path you have to go. But when you face this problem, do this. And along with it, use your own mind to find the solutions. Because guidance is all about focusing someone towards being solution oriented, not problem oriented. So, and we have an audience. A question has been raised. Himanshu is asking, so how to differentiate like-minded or right-minded people so that we can connect with right people?
By first connecting with the wrong people. And jokes apart, we come to know about a right decision or a right path only by following. Like you know about the height because you have seen the depth. You enjoy the misty morning and you feel the brightness of the sun because you have seen darkness as well. You've seen darkness as well. You enjoy success because you have seen failures as well. So it is in this journey of life, because you are equally a great minded soul, you can differentiate people. A person can fool you once, twice, but not any and every time. So that's where you need to realize the company and the direction to which you need to go about. And definitely, once you are good and positive minded, I'm sure good people surround you, and good people, आप में भी तो power है ना? If the teacher has a power, so has the power with the student as well. I remember one very good saying of Lord Buddha. He said, Once the student in the true sense is ready, true sense, huh? And again underline the word true sense, not that you become a student of an institute by paying fees and you say, I'm a student, where is the teacher? No, no, not that. So what he intended to say was, once the student in the true sense is ready, the teacher will appear.
Mhm.
So would you be in that case,
And
Himanshu.
sir, last week we had a guest expert on Jyotish Shastra,
Absolutely.
and he was talking about
Great.
कि दान क्यों करते हैं. He said because जब आप दान करते हैं तो your energy you pass on, you gain energy, you pass on energy, and I believe this is what guide also does. The guide always passes on his or her energy to the student, and being a student we should always be in that phase to take that and to grasp and digest that energy. And time is really flying, and we have lot many more curiosities, but again due to the positive time we cannot talk and talk and talk, so that's why we tried we should focus on the main pointers. Last question, sir, I'll take that privilege. Okay. And sir, books, books, people, they say they are friends, but are they guide as well? And as per age, the genre of books changes. Sometimes we are reading the romantic novel, sometimes we are reading philosophy. And due to your guidance, sir, last year I joined MA Philosophy, and as per your guidance, I'll be completing my PhD in philosophy. So, are books really guide?
Govind, who knows better than you? Who knows better than you? I mean, guides, I can tell you, I mean, sorry, books, I can tell you from my experience, and Govind can also endorse that point, are the one of the man's best guides. Best guides. It may so happen that you may not be able to afford brain transplant. That's very
Mhm.
expensive. But you can have the best of the brains, best of the authors, and the best of the successful people sharing the good thoughts with you. So I would put it this way: poor people have TVs at their home, and rich people have books and libraries at their home. So that's what it is. And as Govind has updated you on few of the books, he can very well show you many other books also if the time permits. But one or two I would suggest that he should recommend so that our great audience can be benefited.
Again, I'll take this privilege. And I request Keshwani sir to enlighten our audience in the next sessions
That's
by doing a book review.
okay.
And the book is
Yeah, that's a book.
Men's
And
Search for Meaning.
search for.
And I request on screen in front of everyone, so please guide us with the book review of this particular book. And we'll be waiting for
Absolutely.
that session.
My privilege.
It was
Absolutely my privilege.
and it was really a pleasure listening to you and being guided by you. It's an honor for me. And uh, in the past, you have guided me in the ups and downs, and I definitely have faith on you, and rather, I would say blind faith on you that in the future as well. आप मुझे गाइडेंस और पथ पे लेके जाते रहेंगे, मार्गदर्शक दर्शक बने रहेंगे. You will be the beacon of light in the most turbulent cyclones as well. And ladies and gentlemen, it was wonderful being a part of your evening today. Thank you very much to all of you for making us, me and Keshwani sir, a moment of your moments. And I believe, I hope, I have faith that you are going to remember this moment in the coming moments. Have a great day. God bless you all and stay happy. स्वच्छ रहें. और आगे क्या था सर, मैं भूल गया.
स्वच्छ रहें, मस्त
स्वच्छ
रहें
और
और व्यस्त
व्यस्त
रहें.
रहें और 2 गज की दूरी और
जरूर.
मास्क की दूरी ढिलाई बिल्कुल ना करें. मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. शुक्रिया, अलविदा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.